Alright everybody, so today what I'm going to be doing here, I have my ZT 150-inch Cub Cadet. I got a roof nail in it. So it's a big old square and a pretty long nail going down into it. So all I got was the slime patch kit. Comes with everything that you're going to need here. So first step, obviously you're going to pull this out. However, what you're going to do, this is going to be your glue that you're going to be putting on everything. You got 2 drill bits here. Go ahead and get them out. This is the one to get it prepped, so you drill it out. And then, what you've got is your plugs and the tool that goes on your drill to insert that plug. So it's a pretty simple process. You can save yourself a pretty good amount of money. This set costs like 18 bucks. But yep, here we go. So I'm gonna get myself set up first. This. Go ahead. And what you wanna do, if you guys can see this here, you're gonna just feed this through halfway. Now it is gonna be a tight fit, but once you get it through, you just grab it, start pulling. Now it's gonna double cork it, so basically that's about what you should be looking like on that. Now you're also gonna need a drill. I don't think you have to have a drill, it's just a lot easier. So we're gonna get glue out of the way. Put our drill bit in. Alright, so next steps, all you're going to do, actually, you know what, I'm going to get this glue ready as well. Granted, I know I'm going to be losing all my air. Alright, it's already open, perfect. Alrighty, so you're going to hear the air come out, pull the nail. Not like that really even matters at this point. Drill into it. Drill out of it. Now that that's complete, go ahead, pull that bit. I'm gonna get this bit now. That's perfect. If you can see, I'm gonna cover it all up in glue. Give it dab, dab, dab. Dab, 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 dab. You can be real generous with this stuff. It doesn't really matter. Back side, dab, dab, dabs. Easy enough. Alright, now that that's complete, so you can see here you got the glue on both sides of it. All you're going to do at this point is screw it in. So you're going to find that hole. You're going to start turning, pushing in. Once it's done, you don't need to reverse that, the drill. You just go ahead, pull it out. I always like to throw a little bit of extra glue around it, but I don't think it really matters. That's good. Go ahead and grab myself a rag. Now with this kit for 18 bucks, you get 5 plugs, so 5 flats. You're gonna save a lot of money. So all I'm gonna do is just clean up some of this glue because really no reason. Alright, she's in there tight. Take a closer look. That's what you're going to look like. And yeah, job's done. That easy. This video is 4 minutes 15 seconds, so guys, it's not as hard as you would think. I'd recommend going out and getting one for even just your vehicle. Great purchase, but hope you all have a great day. Hope you learned something. Hope this helps. And take care.